Hello, my name is Danilo Blanco. I am from group number 21 20 53 stripe 3. Today is September 24 of the years 2020. I am going to talk about the Airbnb problem due to the pandemic crisis. Airbnb is a company that offers a digital platform dedicated to the offers of accommodation to individuals and tourists through which hosts can advertise and contract the rental of their properties with the guests. Hosts and guests can rate each other as a reference for future users, has been one of the flagship successes of the collaborated economy. Together with Uber, it is a young brand that has penetrated consumer consciousness and raised 30 billion assessment. The COVID-19 crisis hit Airbnb hard. In the problem trip, we see the central problem. Airbnb and the devastating coup that suffer from the coronavirus. The effects. Number one, it is estimated that the company will have less than half the revenue of 2019. Danger due to lack of cash flow at the end of the year 2020. Drastically reduced its costs, which led to the layoff of 1,900 people, 25% of its employees, and eliminating marketing causes. Number one, lack of financial resource, significant falling reserves, mandatory quarantine. Indirect causes, restrictions on air travel and mobility in general, the stock market crash, COVID-19 pandemic, risk of contagion, sudden drop in the tourist industry. The problem three,